y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to brow tint and wax at home. This is a service I actually offer through my business. It's Above the Brow Brands. It's ATB Brands on Instagram. Y'all go ahead and give us a follow if you're not into doing this yourself. If you're familiar with the Atlanta beauty scene, you've probably heard of Candy Brow Bar. It's a brow bar. And she also sells her product. I have her tint. I have it in black and I have it in dark brown. We're gonna mix the two things of the developer. She also has wipes. I got these tweezers from her and this little mixing container. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows up. I'm not gonna be looking in the camera, sorry y'all. So this is my eyebrows at like full grown out. Like, this is as thick as they're gonna get. You want to start with the tint first, by the way. You want to give yourself maybe an hour to do this whole thing, to be honest. It's gonna take you a little second. And just do it as if I was doing my brows. Filling the brow, kind of lightly. You know, the same places it would be like if you were doing your brows. So, you know, it's a little thicker in the arch, a little less in the tail, a little less in the front. Oh, I forgot to mention, you're also gonna want to have some Q-tips handy. Now, I kind of got the time as 9:46. I'm about to go eat my breakfast and I'll be back around 10 o'clock. All right, y'all, I'm back. It has been about 20 minutes, about to be 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get this off. Yes, ma'am. The best thing about buying the black and the dark brown dyes is that you can figure out your perfect combination for your eyebrows. This right here is perfect for me. Perfect. Okay, so I have a kit with all my like waxing supplies in here. The wax I'm using is actually inside the warmer already, but it's a GG brand inside the clip, so y'all can see. And I'm gonna use a little bit of baby powder. Skinny craft sticks like this, and the wax strips, they come really long like this, so I always just cut them. Y'all, I'm doing this with my eyes closed because I got on these damn lashes is annoying. But we're gonna get it done. Okay. Like, damn, should not be waxed all the way down your eye. Okay, just letting you know when you do yours, okay? Take a little strip. You wanna hold the skin back like this. With your other hand, pull up. Shouldn't hurt, you shouldn't be jumping that much, okay? I don't think waxing your eyebrows is a beginner's task, especially if you struggle with doing your eyebrows, because essentially that's what you're doing. So I wouldn't, if I was a beginner, I wouldn't solely rely on this video to get I know how. Truly. I will say though, it's best to take your time and do it in sections. Take a look, see what needs to be removed. I know for me, it would be all of this. None of this needs to be here. Supposed to rub this on and then use the cloth to rub the wax off, but that's per the instructions. I just use it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side and then come back and show you guys the finished results. A1. Get your kits, your wax kit, get your brow tinting kits, and start practicing. Like, look at that.